The universe is vast, mysterious, and sometimes downright terrifying. We gaze up at the night sky, a canvas of shimmering stars, and feel a sense of wonder, a connection to something infinitely larger than ourselves. But within that grandeur, within the elegant dance of galaxies and the birth and death of stars, lie truths that can chill us to the bone. These are not tales of fiction, conjured from human imagination, but realities woven into the very fabric of space-time, discovered through the relentless pursuit of knowledge. They remind us of our cosmic insignificance, our fragility in the face of unimaginable power and unfathomable scales. What if I told you that the silent, serene expanse above us harbors phenomena so bizarre, so potentially catastrophic, that they challenge our understanding of existence itself? These are not monsters lurking in the shadows of our minds, but cosmic realities that operate on principles far beyond our everyday experience. They whisper of isolation, of sudden annihilation, of an ultimate cold emptiness. The cosmos doesn't care about our comfort, our hopes, or our fears. It simply is, in all its terrifying glory. Prepare yourselves, for we are about to embark on a journey to the darker corners of cosmic understanding. We will confront the unsettling, the mind-bending, and the truly unnerving aspects of the universe we inhabit. These revelations may alter your perception of the night sky forever, transforming it from a tranquil vista into a window on potential horrors. Here are the creepiest facts about the cosmos that will make you question everything. Imagine a world much like our own Earth, or perhaps a gas giant larger than Jupiter, hurtling through the inky blackness of interstellar space, completely untethered from any star. These are the rogue planets, cosmic orphans cast out from their stellar nurseries or born in isolation. Billions, perhaps trillions of these solitary wanderers drift through the Milky Way galaxy alone, shrouded in an eternal frigid night. They receive no warmth from a nearby sun, no dawn to break the unending darkness. Their surfaces, if they have them, are likely frozen wastelands, where the concept of a year or day as we know it is utterly meaningless. They are phantoms in the cosmic dark, their existence only hinted at by the faintest gravitational whispers. Think of the profound loneliness of such a world, a planet without a sunrise, without a guiding star in its sky. Any life that might, against all odds, cling to existence there would have to be unimaginably different from us, perhaps drawing energy from geothermal vents or exotic chemical reactions in the deep, dark subsurface. These rogue worlds are a stark reminder that not all celestial bodies are part of a cozy solar system. They are the drifters, the lost souls of the galaxy, each a self-contained universe of cold and shadow, silently traversing the void between stars, their numbers potentially dwarfing the planets we see orbiting their suns. The galaxy is teeming with these unseen, ghostly travelers. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains hundreds of billions of stars, and there are hundreds of billions, perhaps trillions of galaxies in the observable universe. With such staggering numbers, it seems almost inevitable that life, even intelligent life, should have arisen elsewhere, perhaps many times over. This is the heart of the Fermi paradox. If the universe is so vast and so old and the conditions for life are potentially widespread, then why haven't we heard from anyone? Where are all the alien civilizations? This silence, this apparent emptiness, is profoundly unsettling. It's a cosmic question mark hanging over humanity's place in the universe. Are we truly alone, a singular spark of consciousness in an otherwise barren cosmos? Or is there some great filter, a hurdle so difficult to overcome that countless nascent civilizations have perished before reaching out across the stars? Perhaps advanced civilizations inevitably destroy themselves, or they choose to remain hidden, observing us from afar. Or maybe, just maybe, the universe is far more hostile to life than we imagine, and we are an incredibly rare, precious anomaly. The silence from the stars could imply a future of splendid isolation, or it could be a chilling omen, a warning that the path to interstellar communication is fraught with unseen perils or ultimate futility. Black holes, these gravitational behemoths from which not even light can escape, do more than just devour matter. They warp the very fabric of space-time itself. One of the most mind-bending consequences of this is extreme time dilation. Imagine an astronaut venturing close to the event horizon of a supermassive black hole. For them, time would pass relatively normally. They could spend a few hours, perhaps a day, observing the distorted universe around them. the stars smeared into streaks of light by the intense gravity. But for an observer far away, back on Earth or on a distant spaceship, centuries, even millennia, could elapse during that astronaut's brief sojourn. This isn't science fiction. It's a direct prediction of Einstein's theory of general relativity. Someone near a black hole would essentially become a time traveler into the distant future of the rest of the universe. They could return from their perilous journey to find that everyone they ever knew is long gone, civilizations have risen and fallen, and the Earth itself is an unrecognizably different world. The thought that mere proximity to these cosmic monsters can so drastically desynchronize one's experience of time from the rest of the universe is a profound and eerie concept. It highlights how our intuitive understanding of time as a universal constant is merely a local approximation, easily shattered by the universe's extremes. We often think of cosmic catastrophes on grand timescales, the death of our sun billions of years from now, or the eventual heat death of the universe. But, what if the universe itself is fundamentally unstable, a ticking time bomb that could detonate without any warning? This is the chilling prospect of vacuum decay. The current state of our universe, the vacuum state that dictates the laws of physics, might not be the true lowest energy vacuum state. It could actually be a false vacuum, a metastable state, like a ball resting precariously in a small dip on a hillside, with a much deeper valley just beyond a small barrier. If, through some quantum fluctuation or external trigger, a bubble of true vacuum were to nucleate somewhere in the cosmos, it would expand at nearly the speed of light, rewriting the fundamental laws of physics as it went. Everything in its path, galaxies, stars, planets, atoms themselves, would be annihilated and replaced by this new, fundamentally different state of existence. We would have no warning. One moment, the universe as we know it exists. The next, it's gone, replaced by something utterly alien. The sheer, instantaneous, and unpreventable nature of such an event makes it one of the most terrifying existential risks imaginable, a cosmic rug pull of ultimate proportions. When we look out into the cosmos with our most powerful telescopes, we see stars, galaxies, nebulae, a universe of light and familiar matter. But what if I told you that all of this, everything we can see, everything we're made of, accounts for less than 5% of the total mass and energy in the universe? The vast majority, about 95%, is composed of two enigmatic substances, dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter, making up about 27% of the universe, doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it completely invisible to us. Yet, its gravitational influence is undeniable, shaping the structure of galaxies and galaxy clusters. Then there's dark energy, an even more mysterious component, accounting for roughly 68% of the universe. This isn't matter at all, but rather some kind of intrinsic energy of space itself, causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. We have no idea what dark matter or dark energy truly are. They are placeholders for our profound ignorance, cosmic phantoms that govern the universe's structure and ultimate fate, yet remain entirely beyond our direct detection and comprehension. To realize that the universe we perceive is merely the tip of a colossal invisible iceberg is a humbling and somewhat unsettling revelation. We are adrift in a sea of the unknown. While sudden cosmic destruction is a terrifying thought, an equally chilling, albeit slower, fate awaits our universe: the heat death, also known as the Big Freeze. According to our current understanding of cosmology, the universe is expanding, and that expansion is accelerating due to dark energy. Over unimaginable timescales, trillions upon trillions of years, this expansion will carry galaxies so far apart that they will disappear beyond each other's observable horizons. Star formation will eventually cease as the available gas and dust are exhausted. Existing stars will burn out one by one, leaving behind cold remnants like black dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. Even these remnants are not eternal. Black holes themselves are predicted to evaporate over even vaster timescales through Hawking radiation. Eventually, the universe will approach a state of maximum entropy, a cold, dark, featureless void, uniformly devoid of energy gradients that could support any form of activity or complexity, let alone life. It's a vision of ultimate, irreversible decay, where all processes wind down to nothingness, a universe slowly fading into an eternal, silent, and frigid emptiness. The prospect of such a desolate end, where all the grandeur and complexity we see today dissolves into a uniform, lifeless soup, is a profoundly somber and deeply unsettling cosmic forecast. Imagine an explosion so powerful it can outshine an entire galaxy, releasing more energy in a few seconds than our sun will in its entire 10 billion-year lifetime. These are gamma-ray bursts, the most energetic explosions in the universe, thought to be caused by the collapse of massive stars into black holes or the merger of neutron stars. If a GRB were to occur within our own galaxy, and its narrow beams of high-energy radiation happen to be pointed directly at Earth, the consequences would be catastrophic, even from thousands of light years away. We would have no warning, as gamma rays travel at the speed of light. The initial burst of gamma radiation itself might not reach the surface, but it would wreak havoc in our upper atmosphere, depleting the ozone layer severely. This would leave life on Earth exposed to lethal levels of ultraviolet radiation from our own sun. The atmospheric chemistry changes could also trigger a global cooling event. Such an event could cause a mass extinction, potentially wiping out a significant portion of life on Earth in a cosmic blink of an eye. The terrifying part is the randomness and the sheer power. A distant stellar cataclysm could seal our fate, and we'd be utterly powerless, unaware until the invisible wave of destruction washed over our planet. The cosmos, in its infinite complexity, presents us with a duality, breathtaking beauty, and profound existential dread. These unsettling truths, from rogue planets wandering in eternal darkness, to the silent, invisible dominance of dark matter and dark energy, and the ever-present threat of sudden, cataclysmic events, are not meant to paralyze us with fear. Instead, they should deepen our appreciation for the delicate, perhaps improbable existence of life on our small blue world. They remind us that our understanding is a flickering candle in an immense darkness, and there is so much more to discover, so much more to comprehend. The universe doesn't owe us comfort or certainty. It offers us mysteries, challenges, and a grandeur that can be both inspiring and intimidating. To confront these cosmic terrors is to confront the nature of reality itself, to acknowledge our place within a system far older, far larger, and far stranger than we can easily imagine. It is in this acknowledgement, this blend of awe and trepidation, that a deeper connection to the cosmos can be forged. The journey of discovery continues, and with it, the unveiling of more wonders and perhaps more unsettling truths. Our exploration of these creepy cosmic facts underscores a fundamental aspect of science. The universe is under no obligation to make sense to us, or to be benign. It simply is. The pursuit of knowledge will inevitably lead us to uncomfortable realities, but it's a journey worth taking. Which fact creeped you out the most? Let us know in the comments. Keep looking up, keep questioning, and remember, the universe is full of wonders, but sometimes the truth is stranger and scarier than fiction.